So this is the circuit of the infrared burglar alarm, and the components required for doing this circuit are IC 555 timer, 3 resistors of 1 kilo ohm, 100 kilo ohm and 68 kilo ohm each, and a capacitor of 10 microfarad along with an LDR and a buzzer and a 9 volt source battery. So coming to the connections of this circuit, we can see that the terminal 1 of the IC 555 timer is grounded as it is ground, and the terminal 3, that is the output of the IC 555 timer, is connected to the positive terminal of the buzzer, and the terminal 8, that is the VCC, is connected to the 9 volt source, and the terminal 4 is connected to the LDR and also to the 9 volt source via 100 kilo ohm resistor, and also to the 9, you can see this, right? And the terminal 7, that is the discharge terminal of the IC 555 timer, is connected across the junction of 1 kilo ohm and 68 kilo ohm, and the terminal 2 and 6 both are connected across the junction connecting 68 kilo ohm and 10 microfarad capacitor. So now the working principle of this circuit is, you can we know that the we can see that the capacitor is getting charged due to R1 and R2 in the given circuit, but it is only getting discharged by R2 into the 7th pin, as the 7th pin of the IC 555 timer is discharge pin. So the capacitor only gets discharged through R2 into the 7th pin of the IC 555 timer, and until the IR light keeps on falling on LDR, the LDR stays in a low resistance area. But once an obstacle, or in this case the thief or any other obstacle enters between the path of the LDR and IR light, there will be an obstruction created, and thus the LDR, there will be a sudden increase in the resistance of the LDR, due to which the current in this the current connecting the 4th terminal and LDR will be 0, and therefore this will be cut off, due to which the 4th terminal connecting to 9 volt via 100 kilo ohm gets active. Therefore there will be a power supply supplied to the IC 555 timer to 9 volt via 100 kilo ohm into the 4th terminal. Hence there will be an output through 3rd pin into the buzzer, and we will hear a buzzing sound, beeping sound. The beeping sound is only caused due to the capacitor. The beeping sound is a result of the capacitor, because the capacitor is a device which continuously keeps on charging and discharging, and the charging is due to R1 and R2, whereas discharging is only due to the R2 into the 7th pin. So now let's look at a working principle. This is the same circuit which I have done in the Tinkercad. Let's start the circuit. So when I increase the intensity of light in the LDR, it remains in low resistance area, but when I decrease the light, we can see that buzzing sound, beeping sound, actually the beeping sound, see, on, off, on, off, on, off. This is the beeping sound. It is only caused due to the capacitor.